Quick update, I'm changing my upload schedules to Tuesdays and Fridays, starting probably Friday. I'm shooting on my iPhone today. I wondered what that would look like, and I had a good excuse to use the iPhone because I broke my camera. My Sony a6300 that I usually use with this setup, I kind of separated the screen on the back from the camera. It don't work. It's broke. It's broke. I can't afford to get another camera right now. But I'll figure something out. I'll figure something out, and hopefully I can get some cool DIYs coming out for you all. And the Creative Life series that I'm working on, everybody seemed to be interested in that. I have a couple of questions. Like, what is it that you struggle with creatively? Is it getting going? Is it coming up with ideas? Is it like fleshing the ideas out? Is it story ideas? You know, what is it about creativity that you struggle with most? Leave a little comment, let me know, and that'll help me get this show going a little bit sooner. I love you all, and I will see you Friday. Bye.